Hey ladies! Are you tired of trying endless diets that promise quick results but never seem to work? Or maybe you've been struggling with bloating, water retention, and that stubborn belly fat that just won't budge? Well, today I have something special for you. The Size Zero Diet Plan. In just 7 days, this plan will help you lose up to 7 kilograms, burn fat fast, and start feeling your best. Imagine waking up every day feeling lighter, more energized, and confident in your own skin. This diet is designed not only to help you lose weight quickly, but also to improve your digestion, reduce bloating, and give your metabolism the boost it needs to burn fat efficiently. So, if you're ready for a transformation, stay tuned, because I'm going to walk you through every step of this powerful 7-day plan. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing tips on weight loss and healthy living, specifically for women just like you. Let's get started with the first step of your new journey. The power of detox and cleansing. Before we dive into the specifics of the diet plan, let's talk about something crucial: detox. Detoxification is one of the most powerful ways to kickstart your weight loss journey. It's not just about drinking juices or taking supplements. It's about cleaning your body from the inside out, and it's something that many of us overlook. By removing toxins and excess water from your body, you're giving yourself a clean slate. This helps reduce bloating, boosts your metabolism, and prepares your body to burn fat more efficiently. Imagine you're driving a car that's been collecting dust. If you don't clean the filters, it won't run as smoothly. Similarly, your body needs to be detoxed regularly to work at its best. The good news is that you don't need to go on a long, expensive detox cleanse. The Size Zero Diet Plan includes simple, natural ways to detox, and I'm going to share one of them with you now that will kickstart your mornings and get your metabolism fired up from the moment you wake up. The morning routine for weight loss. Now, let's talk about the most important part of the day: your morning routine. How you start your morning sets the tone for the rest of your day. If you want to see fast results, you need to give your body the right fuel right when you wake up, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. The first thing you should do when you wake up is hydrate, but not with just any water. We're talking about a detox water that will help kickstart your metabolism, burn fat, and reduce bloating. Here's what you'll need: a glass of warm water, the juice of 1 whole lemon, a pinch of black pepper, a pinch of cinnamon powder. Lemon helps to alkalize your body, black pepper enhances digestion, and cinnamon is amazing for regulating your blood sugar levels. These ingredients together are a powerhouse that will help you detox and get your metabolism in top shape. If you're not a fan of this mix, or if you have any allergies, you can swap the lemon water for 2 teaspoons of aloe vera juice mixed with warm water. Aloe vera has incredible detoxifying properties and helps with digestion, which will aid in fat burning as well. Drinking this simple but powerful detox drink on an empty stomach every morning will prepare your body to burn fat throughout the day. Trust me, the results will surprise you, especially when you start seeing that bloating go down and your energy levels rise. Breakfast options for a slimmer you. Alright ladies, after you've detoxed with your morning drink, it's time for breakfast. I know how important it is to start your day with a meal that keeps you full and energized, especially when you're on a weight loss journey. But it's not just about eating anything. It's about choosing the right foods that will help you lose weight and stay healthy. The key here is protein. Protein is not only essential for building muscle, but it also helps keep you full for longer, preventing those mid-morning cravings. So, for your breakfast, I recommend including a good source of protein. Here are a few ideas. Protein smoothie. You can blend up some unsweetened almond milk, a scoop of protein powder, and a handful of spinach or berries. This is a quick, easy, and delicious breakfast option that keeps you full for hours. Boiled eggs. Eggs are a great source of high-quality protein and healthy fats. You can enjoy 2 to 3 boiled eggs with a side of veggies like spinach or tomatoes for a nutrient-packed breakfast. Greek yogurt with nuts. If you prefer something light but still filling, go for plain Greek yogurt topped with a handful of nuts or seeds. This provides a great combination of protein and healthy fats. But remember, a protein-packed breakfast is only half the equation. Don't forget to add green tea to your morning routine. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and helps to boost your metabolism, making it easier to burn fat. If you prefer, you can drink it with your breakfast or as a separate morning beverage. By starting your day with these high-protein, metabolism-boosting foods, you'll be setting yourself up for success. You'll feel full and satisfied, and more. Importantly, you'll have the energy to power through your day while working towards your weight loss goals. Mid-morning snack to keep you energized. Now that you've started your day with a powerful detox drink and a healthy protein-packed breakfast, it's time to keep the momentum going with a mid-morning snack. This is an important part of the Size Zero diet plan, as it helps to curb hunger and keep your energy levels up until lunchtime. You might be wondering, what should I eat for a snack that won't derail my progress? Well, I've got you covered. One of the best things you can do for your body at this time is to have a cup of green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants that help to fight inflammation, boost your metabolism, and accelerate fat burning. Plus, it keeps you hydrated and energized. The best part, it's a super low-calorie option that won't interfere with your diet plan. Pair your green tea with some fresh fruits like apples, berries, or a small serving of pomegranate. These fruits are full of fiber, which will help keep you full and satisfied until your next meal. Not only do they provide natural sugars for a quick energy boost, but they also help to regulate your digestive system and prevent any bloating. If you're someone who enjoys a more filling snack, you can have a handful of unsalted nuts, like almonds or walnuts. They provide healthy fats and proteins that will help you stay satisfied without spiking your blood sugar levels. The goal here is to have something light but fulfilling that doesn't leave you feeling sluggish or heavy. This snack should help keep those mid-morning cravings at bay and keep your metabolism active as you continue your weight loss journey. Lunch. Delicious and healthy choices. Now that your morning is off to a great start, it's time for lunch. And I know many of you might be thinking, isn't lunch the time when I crave something heavy or indulgent? But trust me, with the Size Zero diet plan, lunch can be delicious, satisfying, and still work towards your weight loss goals. The key to a healthy, weight-friendly lunch is focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods. We want to load up on fiber, lean protein, and healthy fats. Foods that fuel your body without causing bloating or sluggishness. Here's a simple yet satisfying lunch option: fruit yogurt salad, Anna Raita. This is a perfect combination of protein, fiber, and vitamins. You can use any of your favorite fruits like apple, pomegranate, or even papaya. Add them to a bowl of unsweetened yogurt. Avoid adding sugar or salt, as they can contribute to water retention and bloating. You can add a sprinkle of black pepper or some mint leaves for extra flavor. This meal is packed with calcium from the yogurt and helps to keep you feeling full longer. The fruits provide fiber, antioxidants, and natural sweetness, and the black pepper boosts your metabolism. If you're not into the yogurt salad, you can also enjoy a green salad with grilled chicken or a vegetable wrap using whole wheat tortillas. Just make sure to add healthy fats, like avocado or olive oil, to your salad. These healthy fats will keep you satisfied and prevent your body from storing excess fat. For this meal, avoid using salt as it can cause bloating and water retention. Instead, opt for herbs like oregano, basil, or rosemary to add flavor. These simple swaps will help keep your body in fat-burning mode while enjoying your lunch. Lunch is the perfect time to fill up on healthy ingredients that not only support your weight loss, but also nourish your skin and give you lasting energy for the afternoon. You can get creative with your meals while still following the rules of the Size Zero diet plan, and you won't feel deprived. Congratulations! You've now learned how to start your day right. Fuel your body with the best foods, and keep your metabolism burning throughout the day with this Size Zero diet plan. In just 7 days, you'll be amazed at the results, from shedding those extra pounds to feeling more energized and confident in your skin. But the real secret to success is consistency. Stick with this plan, listen to your body, and you'll see how quickly it can work for you. Whether you're aiming to lose a few kilograms or simply feel lighter, this diet is a powerful tool to help you get there. So, what are you waiting for? Try the Size Zero diet plan for yourself and see how it transforms your body and energy levels in just 1 week. And don't forget to let me know how you're doing in the comments below. Share your results and let's support each other on this weight loss journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more weight loss tips, healthy recipes, and motivation to help you live your best, healthiest life. I'm so excited to be part of your journey. You've got this, and I'll be here to guide you every step of the way. See you in the next video.